Hi, I'm Catherine from LangChain. Today I'll give a 5-minute tour of LangSmith, our commercial platform that helps developers improve LM application and agent performance at every step of the development cycle, specifically helping with observability, evaluation, and prompt engineering. While LangSmith works well with LangChain's open source frameworks, it is framework agnostic, designed to work with any agent framework or no framework at all. Let's dive in. One of the biggest challenges with agentic applications is understand how they reason and take action. With LangSmith, tracing comes out of the box. All it takes is setting a few environment variables or tracing decorators, and LangSmith will automatically log each step of your application's workflow. LangSmith gives you the tools to inspect overall performance, as well as inspect individual traces to root cause effortlessly. The run tree view helps you debug a trace, showing a detailed log of its trajectory towards its final output. This can also be helpful to identify expensive steps or understand latency bottlenecks. The Threads tab allows you to group traces into a multi-turn view, making it easier to understand conversation history and view how users engage with the agent. Each tracing project includes a turnkey monitoring tab that provides built-in charts on volume, success rates, and latency, along with the flexibility to define your own evaluators for continuous monitoring of qualitative metrics such as response conciseness, helpfulness, or hallucinations. To improve the accuracy of your LM as a judge evaluators, LangSmith automatically collects examples where a human corrected the judge. These examples are seeded back to the judge with few-shot prompting, helping align judge scores with human preference. One of the biggest challenges users face is trying to find insight from their production systems, which involves a sea of rich text, conversations, and unstructured information. LangSmith provides alerting to proactively raise issues. You can set up alerts to PagerDuty or Webhook to notify you if quality dips or latency spikes beyond a set threshold. You can also set up automation rules that help you action on the data to improve your app. A common flow involves taking interesting traces in production, filtering from feedback sources from building online evaluators, to build a test suite, or to send for additional human review. We believe great evaluations begins with great observability. Let's now dive into a LangSmith evaluation features. The Annotation queue provides a dedicated space for auditing traces. This is especially useful for teams where subject matter expertise is needed. Here, annotators can inspect traces, leave feedback, or add them as an example in a test suite. LangSmith Dataset and experimentation features makes it easy to systematically test your application's performance. By curating a representative dataset, whether by manually creating examples, using AI to augment data, or pulling from production traces, you can continuously measure and track your agent performance as it improves. Once a dataset is created, you can run experiments directly from the SDK or through the UI. This flexibility allows both developers and non-technical stakeholders, such as product managers or business users, to participate in the testing process. After running an experiment, the results are centralized in the Experiments tab, making it easy to analyze performance trends. For example, our team tested whether adding a reflection step to an application architecture would improve results. We ran 2 separate sets of experiments to compare the impact, which helped us assess the trade-off between improved quality and increased latency, a problem many teams consider when optimizing their applications. Experiments can provide clear visibility into the trade-offs you're faced when building and scaling your application. LangSmith also makes it easy to compare experiments side by side. You can select 2 experiments and quickly toggle through the examples to see which one regressed or improved, giving you clear insights into the impact of your changes. Beyond helping to identify areas to improve, LangSmith makes it very easy to iterate, optimize, and collaborate on prompts. The Prompt Playground provides a scratchpad to test different models, adjust wording, and see how changes impact responses. A side-by-side comparison view helps you compare and analyze variations between prompts. LangSmith also provides a prompt canvas tool where you can give feedback on the prompt and get AI-optimized versions, making everyone on your team a proficient prompter. When you land on a better prompt, you can save it in a centralized prompt library so teammates can reuse and refine. LangSmith also tracks commit history, making it easy to track changes over time. No matter where you're in the agent development cycle, LangSmith can help, from building, evaluating, and monitoring, all in a centralized platform. Thank you for joining this quick tour.